And if the child has decided to keep his neck like this and you have to shoot, then it becomes really difficult. Namaskar dentist friends, I am Dr. Dipesh Prajapati, exclusive pediatric dentist from Jaipur, Rajasthan. Let's discuss today a very important topic, that which X-ray machine is more suitable for you, whether you should go for a wall mountable unit or a portable dental X-ray unit. I have experience of using both the kinds of machines. Initially when I started my clinic in 2013, I had a wall mountable unit, and then eventually after maybe in 2015 or 16, I think I bought my first portable X-ray unit as well. Now, me being a pediatric dentist, we have to understand that the child might not be able to cooperate, or you might not be able to guide the child's behavior to sit in that particular position for a good intraoral periapical radiograph. And if the child has decided to keep his neck like this and you have to shoot, then it becomes really difficult to focus or align the wall mountable X-ray unit in all possible different angulations. And this is where your portable X-ray machine comes really handy. I've already discussed that which kind of X-ray sensors are my favorite. I'll probably leave it on the I button somewhere up. Do go through this. But talking about the X-ray machines, I feel for any dentistry, whether it is pediatric, geriatric or adult dentistry, I think it is best to have a portable X-ray unit, good quality DC portable X-ray unit. With good quality X-ray machines, the X-ray safety also doesn't remain an issue. You can also take it for some home visits. Suppose some elderly patient has called you for diagnosis and you want to do it on the bedside, there where X-ray machine, portable X-ray machine will help. If you have two separate chairs in your clinic in the same room or on different room, this is where your portable X-ray machine will help. And it's always said that, yes, it is said that you need an extra assistant to shoot, to hold the X-ray machine and make an X-ray, but we all know that we always have an extra assistant. It's hardly that we are single person who is into the dental clinic and making that X-ray done. Your X-ray image qualities, because of better angulation, will improve drastically, because as I said, often you cannot align a wall mountable X-ray head in all the possible difficult positions if the child or other patients are not cooperating. I have experience of around 2-3 brands of portable X-ray units. I'll make a separate video on it, that which brand is my favorite. You can probably subscribe this channel to keep yourself informed about my future videos, especially on this, which brand of portable X-ray machine is my favorite. But my take is, have some extra budget when you're planning to put your clinic. Go for a portable X-ray machine. You can take it in your car to your consultation. You can take it in your car to your second clinic. I run 2 clinics in my city, and sometimes it happens that the X-ray machine on that clinic is not working. It's so easy. I can put it in car and take it to my other clinic, and my work doesn't get hampered. So portable X-ray machine is my take. If you have any other doubt regarding X-ray machines or anything about pediatric dentistry and you want to discuss with me, you can write it in the comment section or drop me an email ID given above. I will definitely try to help. Thank you.